Okay, so in today's video I have some more 3D assets for you for free. I thought of these while I was just waking up, so excuse my morning voice. I'm just recording this right now really quickly. If you want to see more of this, subscribe and turn on notifications. Leave a comment with what you want to see next. And yeah, the talk. Now let's get into it. So recently, a lot of museums have been scanning their objects and posting them online. So that means for us that we get a lot of free stuff. Let's take a look at where to get them. So one of the places to get it is the British Museum. They have these scans of all their objects. These are posted on Sketchfab. So if you just go to Sketchfab you can see it here. And you can also go to their profile and they have all of their things here. 277 models, which are all free to use because it's public domain. I do have to say these don't have the best topology because they are 3D scans and they are not optimized, but they are still really helpful. You can just decimate it with the decimate modifier in Blender and just use it in Blender. You can also retopologize it yourself, but I don't think most of you will do it. Another great asset provider is Smithsonian Institution. They scan a lot of things and they have a big variety of things, so not only historical, but also just skeletons of animals and things like that. They also have a Sketchfab, which is right here. I will have this linked in the description, just like the British Museum. But you can see here they have some space things, a 3D scan, which most of you will probably find interesting. You can see they have insects here. They have a lot of things here. And this content is CC0, which is public domain, so you can use it wherever you want. You can see everything more clearly here. They have it divided into the museums where they're from. So if you wanted to go to Air and Space Museum, you have all the space things. They have some more things there. So definitely just look around, see what you want. And there are more museums that do this, but you have to find it yourself. You can just go to Google, type 3D museum scan or whatever. And there are a lot of museums that are actually scanning the world, like Google Arts and Culture. They have a whole page about scanning the world, and they talk about My Mini Factory. Every object is free to download from My Mini Factory. So if you go there, you see this. Ah, let's go! That's the software we use. Very cool. Go to Explore here and go to Scan the World. And go to Full Collection. You can find every 3D model they have scanned so far. So this is kind of a place where everything comes together. And this is this will also be linked in the description, of course. But this is more general. But if you want, get like this model from this Islamic figurine of a lion, just download it, and then maybe remix it into a cat model. They give you this bull model with a person attached to it, but I can see someone just downloading this, cleaning up the topology, removing the person and just rigging it, and you have a easy bull which you can use forever and maybe sell even. And of course the faces of everyone, portraits, sculptures. These things are just really easy to just use as a base for something else. You can have things like this Easter Island head, which is just a 3D scan, and then you can delete the base and just give it a rock material, and it will look exactly like the heads on the island itself. And you can make a render of that. It's easier to have a base for something than having to do everything from scratch. So I'm just giving this tool for you to use.
What the dog doing?
But yeah, I've been scrolling for a long time and there seems to be no end to it. So I'm gonna wrap up the video here. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found it useful. Subscribe, like, comment, what you want to see next, go to my Gumroad, free things there as well. And I hope you have a great rest of your day. Bye.